The sun sets slowly over the endless horizon, painting the ocean in colors of fire and gold. Out here, time feels slower, life feels lighter. As we set off in this small Filipino boat, the waves carry us away from the noise of the city into a different world, one where peace still exists. Ahead lies the hidden paradise, untouched and quiet, kind of place you only dream about until the sea delivers you right to its
Naunsa
shore.
na to si Kuya Ayan na.
Climbing up the
Out na to.
mountain trail, the sound of the ocean fades, replaced by the whisper of the winds through the trees. And then, just over the ridge, a small village rests against the ocean shore. Life is simple, raw, and beautiful. People live close to the sea, nothing but nature as their backdrop. At the edge of the cliff stands an old broken house. The walls may be falling, but the view is priceless. A shell of the past waiting for a new life. Just below the beach sparkles with seashells washed up by the tide, and each one carries a story of the sea. This isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to stay. So here's the question. Would you repair this old seaside home, bring it back to life, or would you build your own dream house on the remote island far away from the crowded cities? Your bags are packed. The decision awaits. Are you ready to trade the noise for the sound of waves and living your life on a remote island in paradise?